Assalamu alaikum. So how are you, my curious fellows? So we are back with another video. So this video is going to be interesting because in this video we are going to talk about the artificial intelligence, the tools of the artificial intelligence, and we also talk about that is artificial intelligence will snatch the jobs or not. So let's get started. Computers has 5 generations. Number 1 is a vacuum tube. Vacuum tube was the evolution of the computers. Transistors increase the speeds of the computer. Then the third generation we use integrated circuits. Integrated circuits not only increase the speed of the computer, but it makes the computer a cost-effective device. And number 4, microprocessor. Microprocessors not only decrease the size but increase the efficiency, increase the speed of the computers, and it is a revolutionary of the computers. And in 5th generation we use artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence are the fast growing technology of the modern world. AI, artificial intelligence have uplift time to time, but in this decade where we are living, it is increasing and is growing fastly. So a question arises here that what is artificial intelligence? So the word artificial indicates that something that is made by humans. But artificial intelligence focusing to create a machine, to create a tool that can perform tasks like human level intelligence, such as natural language processing, recognizing an object, making decisions, and problem solving. The modern concept of artificial intelligence was emerged in the 20th century after the evolution or the development of electronic computers. In 1956, a group of computer scientists including John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon organized a Dartmouth conference. And in Dartmouth conference, they coined a term that is called artificial intelligence. One of the earliest AI program was built in 1956, and it is built by Alan Newell and Herbert Simon. And it was called logic theories. Logic theories is a program that proves the mathematical theorems by using the symbolic logic. So in 1960, AI takes significant developments with the developments of natural language processing, machine learning, and expert systems. And one of the notable contributions from John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Arthur Samuel, and Edward Feigenbaum. But in 1980, AI considered as failure because it was a downtime of the AI. It was called the AI winter because of some failures. But in 1990, AI again grew with the developments of neural networks, genetic algorithms, and fuzzy logics. Now AI has significant applications in various areas like natural language processing, machine learning, computer vision, robotics, large language models like Chat GPT, and AI tools. One of the famous AI tool in the artificial intelligence is Chat GPT. Chat GPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Model. It is basically a large language model that is made by OpenAI. It is a project of OpenAI. And what is the task of Chat GPT? Chat GPT allow you to ask a question and it will give you the answer in the text form, and it is same like you are interacting to a human because it gives a answer like a human. And it is basically a project of OpenAI with the investment of $1 billion from the Microsoft well-known tech industry. First Chat GPT came, GPT-1 came first, then GPT-2 came, then GPT-3 came, and GPT 3.5 was very mature that they gave a name Chat GPT, and it was publicly released on November 2022. After the 5 days of its launch, it gained 1 million subscriptions, and which make them Chat GPT a famous AI tool. Now the world is going to revolutionize because in the 14 March 2023, Chat GPT-4 has launched. GPT-4 trained on 100 trillion parameters. If it compares to Chat GPT 3.5 Chat GPT was trained on 175 billion parameters, but now 100 trillion parameters. And Chat GPT 3.5 only consider the text questions, but now you can ask the question in the form of tags, in the form of pictures, in the form of voice as well. So the world is going to revolutionized, and you can ask any question, your coding question you have, you can ask from Chat GPT. But the thing is that the disclaimer is that it will give the answer that is up to 2021. They have no idea about after 2021. And the most disclaimer from the Chat GPT OpenAI is that they can also give the wrong answer. So it is accurate, but not more accurate, because sometimes it gives the answer that is not true. Many of the people are saying that now the Chat GPT or Chat GPT 4 will snatch the jobs. People will be jobless just because of these AI tools. So I think it is too early to say, because the one thing we should remember that the AI has not an ability of critical analysis that humans have. I think it's too early to say that it will snatch the job, but it will consider as a help tools, because we as students, we can take help from these AI tools. It's a contribution of many individuals to make it in a real world. So we should take it as a helping tool. So take help from these AI tools. We should keep on learning. If you like the content, follow for more, because I will make videos in future, inshallah. So follow for more. Until then, Allah Hafiz, take care. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.